Kylie here from Premiere Fitness, and today we're going to be doing a full body stretch. This is perfect to do before or after any workout or just to do in general. To start off, we're going to be using our chair for support, and we're going to be doing a quad stretch. So you're going to hold your foot, and we're going to hold this for 10 seconds and then switch. Alright, switching, doing the same with the other leg. Alright, the next stretch we're going to do is a calf stretch. So you're going to take a lunge forward, and you're just going to lunge as far as you can forward and then straighten it back out. Now we're going to switch, doing the same thing to the other leg. Alright, our next one we can take a seat. Sitting all the way forward, you're going to reach over, grab the back of the chair, and look behind you. This is going to stretch your upper back. And switching, doing the same thing to the other side. Alright, our next one is going to stretch our hip. So we're going to sit a little farther out on our chair, grabbing our foot and putting it on top of our knee and leaning forward. Switch. Doing the same thing. Sitting it nice and tall, we're just going to roll our neck around. Switching directions. And our last stretch, we're just going to bring our arm across and hold. And switch.